Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome. Today I have this piece of Burl and Laburnum, which we're going to turn a pedestal bowl. But this time, I'd like those that are new to wood turning to also try and do this project. You don't have to use your good wood like burrs, stuff like this. Just use the wood that you don't mind uh, losing. You won't lose, but just for practice purpose, like give this a try. And instead of turning a pedestal out of one piece, which you would lose a lot of wood here for the foot of it, do it in two pieces, and I will show how I do it myself. So you can as well follow step by step and make one yourself. It doesn't have to be this big of a blank. Could make it a bit bigger so you have a bigger bowl, but I was limited to this size. That's how I purchased it. So yeah. Also, the foot length is also vital. You don't want tall foot on for a small bowl. So have that in mind. Look at it, see how big would look alright with the size of bowl you have, and then do it. Because it's gonna be in two pieces. If you don't like the foot, you can always have it as a bowl. So there are options there. So if you don't like it, the way your foot turned out, you can just leave it as a bowl. Alright, let's get started. I've got my faceplate on. I'll turn the outside and then we hollow the inside. I put some recess here. Put a recess here about 52 millimeter. So make sure the diameter of your spindle is big enough to then be glued into that recess. That's how this is done. was expecting to be little cracks in the pillars because elm usually does that, but this one is nice and smooth. I've made this thin parting tool myself out of a old kitchen knife. It works great, so just put 2 angles and you can keep sharpening this couple of times and then a couple of times at the top. You only need to sharpen one side at a time to get a nice edge. So I'm gonna go a little concave, so the foot stands on the edges, not on the bottom. It's a dry piece, but wood absorbs moisture and release it with the seasons. So the the very bottom might warp, so that's why you concave it. was a bit too close for comfort, but it dropped right on the shavings. It got too hot here and it was burning my finger, that's why it came loose. But I just take that little nib off and we're done. There you go. So yeah, I love the contrast between the woods. It looks really nice. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I will put some pictures at the end. Last time I didn't, and someone wanted some pictures, so I'll start doing pictures at the end from this video on. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give it a try and make one yourself. You could do the same shape or change the bowl shape, whatever you want, but give it a try. Just because you're new to woodturning doesn't mean you should just keep doing the simple projects over and over. Give this try. It's simple, 2 parts, and I think beginners can also do this as well. Just go through the steps I showed you and I'm sure you'll make a better one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye.